Hey everyone, welcome back to MRCEM Success series. Preparing for the MRCEM exam can feel overwhelming, right? So much syllabus and so little time. But what if I told you there is a proven method to learn smarter, not harder? Today I'm going to share with you Jim Kwik's FASTER method and show you exactly how you can apply it to your MRCEM exam preparation. The acronym FASTER stands for F for forget, A for act, S for state, T for teach, E for enter, R for review. Step 1 is forget. Forget the myth that you need to memorize every single guideline word for word. Forget distractions like scrolling your phone while studying. And most importantly, forget the self limiting belief that you don't have enough time or that ECGs are too hard. Start fresh with the beginner's mind and you will find the material clicks much faster. Next is act. Learning is not a spectator sport. Don't just passively read nice guidelines or flip through question banks. Actually engage, practice single best answer questions, pause and predict ECG findings before looking at the answer, or write down your differentials for chest pain before checking the explanation. The more you do it, the more you will retain. Now let's talk about state. Your emotional and physical state hugely impacts how well you learn. If you sit down to study tired and stressed, nothing will stick. So change your state. Stand up, stretch, smile, maybe even do a quick walk before revising. Approach your preparation with curiosity and energy, and suddenly the content feels lighter and more memorable. One of the fastest ways to master something, teach it. After learning a topic, for example, DKA management, explain it to a friend, a study partner, or even record yourself teaching on your phone. If you can explain it simply, you truly understand it. And when you're on a shift, you will naturally get opportunities to teach to juniors. Use that as revision too. Step 5 is enter. Enter your study sessions into your calendar. Treat them like non negotiable appointments. For example, block out 30 minutes for ECG practice or an hour for trauma algorithms. If it's in your diary, you're much more likely to show up and actually do it. Consistency beats cramming every single time. And finally, review. The brain forgets quickly unless you revisit information. Use spaced repetition. Go back to resuscitation algorithms, toxicology antidotes, and pediatric emergencies at regular intervals. Quick review after a few days, then after a week, then after a month will lock that knowledge in for exam day and beyond. So, to recap, forget distractions, act on what you learn, control your state, teach it to others, enter learning into your schedule, and review regularly. This isn't just exam preparation, it's a smarter way to learn medicine for life. Remember, you're not just studying for an exam, you are training to be an even better emergency physician. You have got this. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more MRChem tips, and drop a comment below. Which part of the FASTER method are you going to start using today? See you in the next video.